Welcome! This is a product overview of ComplianceForge's CMMC Bundle 4, covering levels 1 through 3, built on the Security, Compliance, and Resilience Program and the Secure Controls Framework. Over the next few minutes, we will walk through what it is, what problems it solves, exactly which 13 products are included, and how it compares to writing this documentation yourself. The CMMC Bundle 4 includes 13 ComplianceForge products focused on operationalizing NIST 800-171 and the Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification. That is, the policies and standards for the Security, Compliance, and Resilience Program, the matching procedures, the Risk Management Program, the Cybersecurity Risk Assessment Template, the Vulnerability and Patch Management Program, the Integrated Incident Response Program, the Continuity of Operations Plan, Secure Baseline Configurations, the Information Assurance Program, the Secure Engineering and Data Privacy Program, the Cybersecurity Business Plan, the NIST 800-171 System Security Plan Template, and the SCRM Strategy and Implementation Plan. Could a single documentation set satisfy a CMMC assessor and your HIPAA, PCI DSS, and ISO 27001 auditors at the same time? Or are you maintaining a separate stack for each framework? The CMMC Bundle 4 is built on the Security, Compliance, and Resilience Program and the Secure Controls Framework, giving you one coordinated set of editable templates that covers CMMC levels 1 through 3 while mapping across your other obligations. So your team tailors rather than authors and starts roughly 80 to 90% of the way there. This bundle is designed for organizations that need to comply with NIST 800-171 and CMMC levels 1 through 3. This is beyond just the cybersecurity policies and standards, and it addresses the unique compliance needs for NIST 800-171. The end result is a comprehensive, customizable, easily implemented set of documentation that your company needs to establish an SCF-based cybersecurity program. Being Microsoft Word documents, you have the ability to make edits as needed. The SCRP S meta-framework approach maps to over 200 statutory, regulatory, and contractual frameworks, so the documentation works for CMMC compliance, while simultaneously supporting every other framework your organization is subject to. So what exactly is the CMMC Bundle 4? Here are the 13 products that make up the bundle. The CMMC Bundle 4 is the SCRP and SCF aligned documentation bundle for CMMC 2.0, levels 1 through 3. It provides the most comprehensive framework coverage of any CMMC bundle, making it the preferred option for organizations with complex, multi-framework compliance requirements. The bundle combines 13 individual products into a single, coordinated documentation set. Each product remains independently licensed, but the components are designed to work together and reference a common control framework so they present one consistent program rather than a stack of disconnected templates. Rather than starting from a blank page across multiple documentation areas, the bundle provides a professionally written baseline for every product. Customization effort is concentrated on tailoring, not on writing. This bundle is a one-time purchase of editable Microsoft Office-based documentation templates. There is no software to install, no agent to deploy, no account to provision, and no cloud environment to configure. If your organization can open and edit Microsoft Word or Excel files, or compatible tools like OpenOffice and Google Workspace, you can use every product in this bundle. Everything is delivered as fully editable Word and Excel files, compatible with Word 2016 and newer, Microsoft 365, OpenOffice, LibreOffice, and Google Docs and Sheets. All documents in the bundle are delivered via email download link within 1 to 2 business days of purchase. There is no installer, no license server, and no activation step. And it is a one-time purchase. A single entity license is included, and the bundle price is a one-time charge, although optional update subscriptions are available for individual products as frameworks evolve. This deployment model is intentional. Cybersecurity documentation benefits from being in your organization's own hands, inside your own version control and document management systems, rather than locked inside a vendor's SaaS tool. Once delivered, every document in this bundle belongs to you. Organizations face a common pattern when building cybersecurity documentation. Individual products solve individual problems, but real programs need multiple documentation layers working together. The bundle is designed to fill that gap. The first problem is scattered documentation. Individual products like policies, procedures, and risk programs need to work together. The bundle provides coordinated documentation sets that reference each other correctly. The second is the need for a faster program stand-up. Standing up a cybersecurity program requires documentation across multiple domains. The bundle covers multiple domains at once, compressing those timelines. And the third is audit completeness. Audits and customer questionnaires typically ask for documentation across multiple domains. The bundle ensures no gaps in the documentation set that auditors review. The bundle addresses multi-domain documentation challenges with a pre-assembled, coordinated set of products at a discount. The first is coordinated content. Every product was designed by ComplianceForge to work together. Cross-references between products are consistent, and no conflicting guidance exists across documents. The second is audit defensible documentation. Every document is written to withstand scrutiny by external assessors, mapped to leading frameworks, with footnoted references throughout. And the third is same-day delivery. ComplianceForge processes most orders the same business day. Expect delivery within 1 to 2 business days of purchase, with all products arriving together. So what do you actually receive? The bundle includes 13 ComplianceForge products delivered together at a discount. Each is a complete, standalone deliverable. The first is the policies and standards for the Security, Compliance, and Resilience Program. This is a hybrid, best-in-class approach to cybersecurity documentation that covers dozens of statutory, regulatory, and contractual frameworks. The SCRP has a one-to-one mapping relationship with the Secure Controls Framework, also known as the SCF, so it maps to over 200 leading practices. The second is the matching SCRP procedures, the same best-in-class approach applied to a comprehensive set of cybersecurity procedures. The third is the Risk Management Program, addressing the strategic, operational, and tactical components of risk management. The fourth is the Cybersecurity Risk Assessment Template, which provides the format to produce high-quality risk assessment reports based on the Risk Management Program structure. The fifth is the Vulnerability and Patch Management Program, addressing how to actually manage patching and vulnerability management, including vulnerability scanning and penetration testing. The sixth is the Integrated Incident Response Program, addressing how to actually manage incident response operations, including forensics and reporting. The seventh is the Continuity of Operations Plan, addressing how to actually plan for and respond to both business continuity and disaster recovery operations. The eighth is Secure Baseline Configurations, the documentation solution to efficiently document what constitutes a hardened system in your organization. The ninth is the Information Assurance Program, focused on pre-production testing based on established processes used by the U.S. government to validate the existence and functionality of controls before a system goes into production. The 10th is the Secure Engineering and Data Privacy Program, which serves as expert-level guidance to run a specific capability or function within your cybersecurity department. The 11th is the Cybersecurity Business Plan, the business plan template tailored for a cybersecurity department. The 12th is the NIST 800-171 System Security Plan template, the living document that captures pertinent information on controls implementation. And the 13th is the SCRM Strategy and Implementation Plan to operationalize a supply chain risk management program aligned with NIST 800-161 Revision 1. Now compare that against the two alternatives for obtaining quality cybersecurity documentation. For your internal staff to generate comparable documentation, it would take them an estimated 3,900 internal staff work hours, which equates to a cost of approximately $365,750 in staff-related expenses. That is about 30 to 48 months of development time, where your staff would be diverted from other work. If you hire a consultant to generate this documentation, it would take them an estimated 2,900 contractor work hours, which equates to a cost of approximately $919,000. That is about 20 to 30 months of development time for a contractor to provide you with the deliverable. The CMMC Bundle 4 is approximately 7% of the cost for your internal staff and approximately 3% of the cost for an external consultant to generate equivalent documentation. The bundle itself is $26,120. So how much work is left for you? ComplianceForge aims for approximately an 80 to 90% solution, because it is impossible to write a 100% cookie-cutter document that can be equally applied across every organization. ComplianceForge did the heavy lifting, and the remaining work is fine-tuning the bundle with the specific information that only your organization knows. In practice, customization across all products is essentially filling in the blanks. Adding your company name and logo, which is applied automatically to every document in the bundle. Tailoring parameters such as review cadences and thresholds. Naming specific owner roles. And removing sections that do not apply to your organization. If you want a hand, ComplianceForge offers optional professional services. They are not required to customize ComplianceForge documentation. The 5-hour bundle may be beneficial for companies that need some guidance on getting started with how to tailor their documentation. The 10-hour bundle is for companies that need additional guidance on tailoring their documentation to meet their compliance requirements. And the 20-hour bundle is for companies that need robust services beyond just 10 hours to assist in tailoring their documentation. Purchased professional service hours expire 120 days, or 4 months, from the time of purchase if unused. Hours are intended to supplement, not replace, your own customization work. There are more reasons to buy. The CMMC Bundle 4 is built around the SCRP and the SCF, which map to over 200 laws, regulations, and frameworks. Every product in the bundle aligns with the SCF taxonomy, and cross-references between documents use consistent terminology throughout. This bundle is ideal when CMMC compliance must coexist with other frameworks, like HIPAA, PCI DSS, ISO 27001, the NIST CSF, or state privacy laws. The SCF meta-framework approach lets a single set of controls satisfy multiple compliance obligations simultaneously. One last thing, the CMMC Bundle 4 covers the most common configuration, but every organization's needs are different. ComplianceForge will build a custom bundle for any combination of products if your requirements differ from the standard bundles. To request a custom bundle quote, contact ComplianceForge directly with a list of the products you need and your timeline. Custom bundles typically receive comparable discount pricing to the standard bundles. If you have any questions, please email support@complianceforge.com or call 1-307-241-8740. We've been helping organizations since 2005, and we are always happy to help.